Hi everyone, this is Forlisa here with Homebody, back with a video showing you what we have going on in our master bedroom. If you are new to Homebody, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and I will actually be sharing with you guys at the end of this video where the items in the master bedroom came from. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Hi guys, so I'm just going to briefly tell you where things came from. So the little birdie tray, ring tray, jewelry tray came from Home Goods. The pen came from Home Goods, the perfume bottle, and the For We Walk by Faith Not by Sight, and the vase and the tray here came from Home Goods. The bottom tray here is a DIY by me. I'll try to link the DIY above in a card. The white florals came from Z Gallery. I think this is like maybe 2 packs of the florals in here. I think it was like $7 or so for a pack. And this candle here came from Z Gallery. You guys, it smells so good. I don't know why I have the top on. I should leave the top off just to give that little smell to the room. So I put this tray on top of this tray just to give it a more glam look, and I think that looks really cute. I love it. This throw here came from Home Goods. The duvet that I have here came from Home Goods. I have a really inexpensive comforter inside of the duvet, and these pillows in the front, this pillow and this pillow came from Burlington. All the other pillows came from Home Goods. And the actual mirror in the back of the bed and the mirrors on the side tables and on top of the side tables came from Home Goods. I like the mirrors because they pretty much fall in place with the headboard. I would love to have mirrored side tables, but I'm going to hold on to these for a couple more years here before I even try to think about that. And the lamps came from, I think these lamps came from Ross, you guys. Now over on this dresser here, the bookends came from Home Goods, candle holders. Everything here came from Home Goods except for the wall art, which came from Ross. Over here on top of my fireplace here, I have my fireplace here. I have a tray that came from Home Goods. I thought this tray was a really good price. It was like $24. And Z Gallery have one for like 99 bucks. The lotus flowers came from Home Goods. The clock in the back came from Pier 1. And this big silver candle here came from, not silver, teal candle came from Home. Over on this wall art came from Ross. And the tall mirrored candle holders came from At Home. Of course, we all know the Ming boxes came from Z Gallery. The little perfume bottles and box on top came from Z Gallery. And the candles here came from Z Gallery. Moving over here, this floor standing mirror came from Lowe's. The lamp here came from Pier 1. And the little lotus flower here, Home Goods. The lotus box came from Home Goods. And I have my makeup remover wipes in there, and it keeps them moist, and I like that. I'm using this for something very beneficial. And this was a Christmas gift, actually a birthday gift that I got from my husband. Okay, moving over here to my vanity. Now my vanity itself actually came from Pier 1, and I love my vanity. My husband got this for me one year for for my birthday actually. And this turn-in tray here, the turn-in tray came from Home Goods. I think I bought my lotus, my bigger lotus came from Z Gallery. I got it when it was like on clearance. I may have paid like 20 or 25 bucks for it. This candle here came from Home Goods. This little trio set here, the smaller trio set, came from Z Gallery for like 19 bucks. And the bigger ones came from Home Goods or possibly Ross. This jar here is a gift from one of my friends. It's a jar from Tiffany's, you guys. So I'm using this for my makeup brushes here. So this pillow here came from Home Goods as well as the throw. The chair that I have here came from Ross. And I'm ready to get me a bigger chair, you guys. But I'm going to hang on to this one as long as I can. Over here I have another chair that came from Ross. Throw from Home Goods. And a pillow from Home Goods. And this little ottoman came from Ross, and that pretty much sums up. I didn't mention this wall art up here. This wall art actually came from Home Goods, and they actually have some pieces like this at Z Gallery. I think this was like $29 or $39 per piece, and I have 3 of these. I have 2 in here and 1 in my family room. Oh no, 1 in my living. If I didn't say, this comforter here, the dark gray, actually came from Home Goods too. I may have already said that, but that sums up. So that's pretty much all that I have going on here in our master. I'll try to do a video on my guest bedroom. I'll also try to do my master bathroom, but I want to do some upgrades in there first. But anyway, that's the end of this video, you guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.